In this video, how to enable thumbnail view for files in Windows 11. Click on the Start button in the taskbar to open the Start menu. In the search bar at the top of the Start menu, type Control Panel and press Enter. In the Control Panel, by click Category and select Large Icons. Click on the File Explorer options. In the Folder Options window, click on the View tab. Under the Advanced Settings section, locate the Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails checkbox. Make sure the checkbox is unchecked. Click on the Apply button. After applying these settings, you should now see thumbnail previews for photos in Windows Explorer. Watching more videos, like and subscribe to my channel.